Today I'm going to do an experiment to test which cooking chocolate melts the quickest. To do this test today we have 3 different types of chocolate. We've got our milk chocolate, our dark chocolate and our white chocolate. To ensure this is a fair test, we will make sure the amount of water in the saucepan remains at 3 cups for each chocolate batch. The amount of chocolate being melted is 25 pieces of each. The temperature of the water, which will go in cold from the tap and will boil as it goes on. The temperature of the stove, which will remain at a medium to high heat, cooling down after each batch. And to ensure that we stir the batch of each chocolate after 4 minutes and then 2 minutes in 2-minute increments after this. The chocolate will be considered melted when there are no lumps left. I think that the milk chocolate will melt quicker because it has a higher milk content. So let's begin our test. We'll start with the milk chocolate. We'll take our milk chocolate to our double boiler, which is prepared on the stove, which is just a glass bowl on top of a saucepan with the 3 cups of cold water. We will turn on our stove onto our medium-high heat and we will give it about 4 minutes and we'll come and check on it. Okay, so this is our progress at 4 minutes. We'll just give it a quick stir. As you can see, there's not much change in the consistency of our chocolate, but we'll keep an eye on it and we'll come back and check on it shortly. Alright, this is what it looks like after 6 minutes. We're going to give it another quick little stir, just so we make sure it doesn't get burnt on the bottom as well. Alright, we're looking good. I think just another few minutes and we should be melted. Alright, this is after 8 minutes. So it's quite a runny consistency, but we've still got lumps, so we're going to keep watching it now because the lumps will disappear shortly. Okay, so it took us 10 minutes and 23 seconds and we're now at a smooth, consistent mixture. So the time for the milk chocolate is 10 minutes 23. Now let's go and wash our bowl and we'll try the dark chocolate. Okay, let's give the dark chocolate a go now. Just tip that in there. We'll just turn the stove on. And we'll come back in about 3 minutes and just see how it's going. Okay, so this is our dark chocolate at 4 minutes. You can see it's actually starting to melt just a little bit, so we'll just give it a quick stir. And we'll come back and check our progress in another 2 minutes. Okay, so this is our consistency of our dark chocolate at 10 minutes and 44 seconds. It's a nice smooth texture now and completely melted. So that took a little bit longer than the milk chocolate. And our total time was 10 minutes and 44 seconds. Okay, so we're up to our final chocolate now. We're doing the white chocolate. Just put some new cold water in our saucepan and we'll leave that and come back and check on it shortly. Alright, so this is what our milk chocolate's looking like at 4 minutes. You can see there's no change at all. There's nothing stuck to the glass bowl, anything like that. So we'll come back and we'll check on that shortly. Okay, and this is our white chocolate and it's completely melted at 13 minutes and 8 seconds. So you can see that's a really smooth consistency, so we know that it's all melted, which means that the milk chocolate is the fastest at melting at 10 minutes and 23 seconds.